Hello there, Vanagon addicts. This is Ken Wilford here at Vanagon. Just tuning back in here. Day 2 of our lithium battery install into a Westie. And you can see what's going on here. I think really what was happening yesterday with the solar not working properly most likely was due to the fact that the battery had like no draw on it whatsoever. So there was nothing that was even trying to drain the battery down. And so the solar panel wasn't really needed. Like it was, this battery charger is really smart. So it's looking at the battery, it's saying, hey, you know what? You are completely full, 100% topped off. You don't need any input from the solar panel, so we just won't give you anything. So that was basically what was happening yesterday, I believe, because I came out here this morning. I had left on this this little light here on the refrigerator, and maybe today during the day the refrigerator fan stuff was coming on and off and stuff like that, and so stuff was drawing on it. So you can see the solar is definitely working today, no problem. It's doing stage, which means it's charging the battery, and this Li means it's on lithium. So everything seems to be working really well. I guess my next test I'm going to do is really going to be put a load on the battery, like a known load, draw it down to, I don't know, 80%, or down to like maybe 10% or something of capacity left, and then just see how long it takes this charger to like recharge it back up. Okay, so that's just a quick update. Again, all I've got right now is this solar panel, 100-watt solar panel on the luggage rack. I got it tie wrapped up there, kind of bobo rigged up for now, but hopefully we do this load test, and then we'll be maybe doing a little bit of driving. I want to do a test to see how long it takes the solar panel to recharge the battery, and then do another test to see how long it takes you to like drive and run the engine. And that should be really all the tests that we need to do, besides doing a load on the battery and seeing how that handles it and that kind of thing. So that's basically just a small update for today. Please like, subscribe, share, and if you guys need any Vanagon parts, please definitely, there's a link at the end of the video that you can click on. That'll take you right to our store, and you can buy this charger, you can buy the battery, or any other stuff that you need for your Vanagon. Hope you guys get more smiles per gallon with your van, and we will see you in the next video.